Alright, this is just a reminder that anytime you're going through these videos, you can rewind them, you can fast forward them. If you need all the steps, awesome. If you don't, you can skip forward and see what the answer is. You know, use them however way you want to use them. I really don't mind. Alright, just make sure that you are taking notes enough that you have enough notes that you don't have to keep coming back to the videos every time you do something. So make sure you're writing something down on paper, steps and all, so that you can do other things that require this work without having to come back to the videos. That's all I ask. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to solve this thing. We've got to figure out some things. First of all, let's write down the formula and remind ourselves what does everything stand for. Alright, so this stands for the number of terms that we're going to sum up. Okay, these two numbers are the same ones. Now, this means the first term in the things that we're adding up, and this is the last term that we're going to do. Alright, so in this case, we've got to figure out, let's see, n is equal to the top number minus the bottom number plus 1. So that's 5 plus 1, so that's 6. So we are doing the sum of 6 numbers. 6 divided by 2. Alright, A1 again in this particular problem is a 9. Now the last term in this problem is a 14. Okay, this n is not the same one as we're working over here. You have to understand that this is the last, means the last term. So in this particular case, you always want to associate an with the last term and that you're working with, and a1 being the first term you're working with. Alright, so I have to do some math and I'm going to be good to go. So a9 is equal to 17 minus 6 times 9. 17 minus 54, so what's that? 37 negative 37. And then a14 is 17 minus 6 times 14. 17 minus 6, 84, right? Let's see, yeah, 84. So that's going to be 67 negative. Alright, so now we've got 3 times negative 37 plus negative 67. So that's 104 negative times 3. So that's going to be negative 312. That's my sum.